Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to limit maximum FPS on Speed Freaks from Warhammer. So firstly, you should open Settings. To open Settings, click on the gear icon, the top part of your screen. Afterwards, choose Settings. And here find limit maximum FPS. So scroll down, find here limit maximum FPS, and as you can see, limit maximum FPS limits frame rate to the chosen value, may be used to reduce power draw on your graphics card. So okay, you can enable and, for example, limit it up to 150, for example. That's it. Thanks for watching. Click on the space to save changes, and bye. See you.